These ladies are the cooking people. If you don't mind, I'm videoing what you're doing. Yeah, so. Hello ladies, I just want a little video. Can I video what you're doing? Yeah? I'm just fascinated, if you don't mind. How's the cooking going? Going fine. Oh, yes, looks colour now, isn't it? It's very, very hot fire out here at night. How long do you cook this, all night? Or
What?
the food? Just cook it, prepare it, and then...
It's not long we started.
Sorry?
It's not long we started.
Not long, yeah. How long does it take to cook it though?
This one is chicken.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to take too long on the fire. Just
Okay.
a few minutes cooking, boiling.
Ah.
Yes, because if it overstays, it will be so soft
Too tough.
and it will scatter. So we just boil. Once it boils, bring it down, and you fry with brown oil.
Okay.
Vegetable oil.
Okay.
One day they put it in
Nice. Wow. These are big cooking pots. This lady's. What is this? Yeah, it's a chicken.
Ah, chicken.
Yeah. That's had garlic and what's it? Garlic and ginger. You put on it. Yeah. And then you cook it in this. That's all in this smoke. So this is smoke flavour. Yeah. Very nice. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thanks a lot for
You're
everything.
welcome.